Want glowing skin but out of money because you've spent it all on useless things that you regret buying? Get glowing skin for free with these tips. Isn't it annoying when you have a special occasion coming up and your dull skin is like, let me love you? It's almost as if it can sense it. Take some rice water, pour it in an ice tray and freeze. That's it. Now just rub it all over your face and you've got glowing skin. Rice water helps to get that bright, glowy skin and you won't have to worry about emptying your pockets. If you're a couch potato, then you can make this super easy mask that will keep your skin moisturized and smooth, and it's not nearly as difficult as talking to your crush. Just take 1 teaspoon of milk and 1 teaspoon of honey. Mix it well and apply it evenly on your face. Now relax for 15 minutes and wash it off. Picture perfect skin in minutes. This super basic hack can totally transform your skin, especially for all of you who take showers so hot that you're basically melting your skin off. Take a towel and dip it in ice cold water. Leave it on your face until the towel starts to warm up. A cold towel compress can help reduce puffiness, inflammation, and give you a glow. If you want to rejuvenate your skin, then this scrub can help you. Take some bananas, mash them to form a paste. Then apply this paste onto your face and neck and scrub it in for 5 minutes. Then wash it off with cold water. This mask will give you an A+ glow to your skin, and as far as getting A+ grades, you're on your own. This super simple massage can do wonders to rejuvenate your skin. Plus, it helps reduce stress. We all blame our college for that. Grab your favorite moisturizer and apply a generous amount. Then with mild pressure, massage your cheekbones, under your eyes, the sides of your eyes, and then massage your brow bone. Massage ½ an inch on either side from the center of your forehead, further down to the temples, and finish by smoothing your fingers down. Each area should be massaged 5 times. A face massage also stimulates collagen production, helps reduce fine lines, wrinkles, and leaves you with beautiful baby soft skin. If you loved this video, check out some of our other great DIY videos here, and don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell icon so you never miss another video. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.